There it goes. Okay, cool. So, any questions about what you've done so far? Which hasn't been a whole lot, really just moving things around. And actually, you know what? Before you have questions, I'm just going to do it myself up here. Okay, so app.js, I already did that one. Index.html, I'm going to put this in views and then inside products. Data.js, I'm going to put in DB, and I'm going to rename it to productsdata.json. This one should be index.html.erb. I forgot about that. Okay, Angular. Angular is a third party, so I'm going to put it in JavaScript in vendor. And same for Angular resource. And same for Bootstrap, except it's not JavaScript, so I'm going to put it in style sheets. And that should be it for that part. Okay, so now I'm going to create my controller, which looks pretty much like every other controller we've made. Products controller.rb class products controller. Okay, cool. Just out of curiosity, this is going to work fine, this def index. It's going to show me the index page, even though I haven't put anything inside here. It's totally blank. What is the term for that? So this def index, it's going to work perfectly fine, even though there's nothing inside it. It's still going to show me the index page. Does anyone remember the term for that? Yeah, it's implicit, not returns, it's implicit rendering. Same concept though. In a controller, if you don't tell the controller exactly what to render, then like if I have def wombat, it's going to look for wombat.html.erb. It's automatically going to look for that. So if I have index, it's going to look for index.html.erb, and it's going to do that. The last thing I need to do is add my roots. So all these comments, whatever, they don't really matter. Resources, products, and I think that's it. So I'm going to start this up. Okay, and then since this is Rails and not just Angular by itself, I'm going to localhost 3000 instead of 8080. And I get this. So how do I get to the page for this inventory tracker thing? What do I need to go to? Winnie? Not the root. I'm actually at the root right now. I'm just at localhost 3000. Slash what? This is still the root. Slash products, yep. I just did the products index page, the products index controller action, so I'm going to go to slash products, the way I would for any other product. Excuse me, the way I would for any other model. So what I'm stressing right now is that we haven't really done, aside from moving files around, we haven't really done anything different than we've seen so far. This controller is just like every other controller we've made. And so now I get this guy, which looks pretty great. So obviously the CSS is missing from this, the JavaScript is missing from this, so my assets are not configured properly yet. So that's going to be the next step. But before we get to that, questions about this part? Moving things around and getting set up. Not yet. Yeah, remember, not every controller has to have a model. Not every model has to have a controller. Not all that is gold glitters. Not all that glitters is gold. No? Cool. All right, I know we just started, but why don't we take like a 6-minute break and come back at 3:20.